How to download and install Duolingo on your device. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To download and install Duolingo on your device, open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now after opening it, on bottom of your screen you can see different navigation options. So tap on this search icon. Here on top of your screen you can see this search box, so tap on it. Now type in Duolingo. So simply search for it. After searching here, on top of your screen, you will see this icon Duolingo. So tap on it. Now simply tap on install to install Duolingo app on your device. And within a matter of seconds, Duolingo app will be installed on your device. And here you can see I have successfully installed Duolingo on my device. Now simply tap on open and start learning. This is how you install Duolingo on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.